Hey, what's up everybody? So this is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, 14 Ultra and 15 Ultra, and some of you guys have asked, can you compare the 3 Ultras from Xiaomi? Okay, here we go in this video. Let's take a quick comparison to see if it's worth the upgrade, and definitely subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started. Now 4K 60 rear camera, okay, and here it is, and here you go, 4K 60. I'm now going down the stairs. As you can just let me know, it's stable. Who is more stable? I read comments. Some of you guys are saying like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a better stabilization now. But anyway, let's just see. And now I'm gonna run a little bit so you can see stabilization. Woo, woo. All right, that's it. Let me know. All right. So I don't know if it's a firmware or something. I noticed on Xiaomi 13 Ultra here it's like it only supports 1080 60. Okay, and the front camera. Oh my god. I don't even need to say anything, right? Xiaomi 15 Ultra is totally smashing the other two. You can check out the cloud. Okay. The other two that got totally blown out, but the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is so much better. That's what I said when I first get my hands on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I think this is like the best selfie videos on all the Xiaomi phones ever created. Alright, and this is the normal, like the front light, you can see. And now I'm gonna run a little bit. Just let me know who has the best stabilization. Okay. Alright, now zoom test. 4K 30 on both three, Xiaomi Ultras. Okay, and let's go. Ultra. Okay, this is the Ultra on 30 Ultra, and then we go to one. What? On Xiaomi 30 Ultra, like the software is so outdated. You cannot like judge. Okay. Two. They don't have like default zoom, so you have to like drag on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Okay, that's the 2.1. But anyway, just show, it's just as a reference. Okay, 3 times, 3.2, 3.2 on Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Okay, now 4.3, and then 5 times. Okay, let's go 5 times. 5 times. To 5 times. So now this 3 phones are both on 5 times zoom. Okay. Cannot see much difference, and I guess more clearer on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, right? Go to 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. Okay. 10 times. It's just so difficult to judge. Jesus. Okay, 30 times or 10 times. I mean, on both three. Wow, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It's got so much clearer, much more details. The other two looks a little bit noisy, too soft, especially on 14 Ultra, right? At least from the screen. And then we go to 15 times on Ultra, on 14 Ultra, 15 times on 15 Ultra, and 15 times on 13 Ultra. Wow! Oh my God! And don't need to say anything. And what's more, Xiaomi 15 Ultra can go to 30 times. Oh my goodness! 30 times. Wow! Can you believe that? That's crazy. Okay, the zoom is clear. It's a clear winner for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Yeah, that's slow. City, 4K 30 for the rear. Okay, with the night, so you can see the difference. Alright, I don't know. But I noticed one thing, like for Xiaomi 15 Ultra, it seems they have that, a coating for their back camera module, and seems reduce the flares significantly. As you can see, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can see the glare right here, right? Also on 13 Ultra, but no on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. You see, like you see, especially when you point to the highlight spot. You see, wow. That is good. That is good, ladies and gentlemen. YC. Now flares, lens glares appearing again. This part, okay. Okay, this part. This part, okay. But no on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Wow! Guys! It's really surprised me. And now, let's run a little bit. Of course, you say, okay, Xiaomi 15 Ultra is in the middle. And then maybe it looks maybe the most stable. But they are basically on the same line. Okay, without that much difference. But anyway, you can basically see who has more stability. Okay, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is like an extreme dark environment. Okay, and now let's test the zoom. Ultra wide. These are the ultra wide. Wow! Oh my God! Xiaomi 15 Ultra is so good, nearly without lens glare. You see when the motorcycle coming at me. Now one time. Okay, 1.4 on 13 Ultra. Okay. Now go 2 times. 2 times. And 2 times on Xiaomi 13 Ultra. 3 times. 3.2 on 14 Ultra and 3.1 on 13. And let's go 5.1 5 times, 4.3 times, 5 times. Wow. Okay, and then let's go to 10 times. 10 times. 10 times. 14 Ultra. Okay, so that's the 14 times. 10 times. Wow. Like on 10 times, like Xiaomi 14 Ultra has the best stabilization for its clear image, less noise, right? Xiaomi 13 Ultra is the worst, of course. Okay, let's go to 15 times. No, 15 times. Okay, that's 30 times Ultra. 15 Ultra, okay. That's the 15 times, okay. Wow. Xiaomi looks like so contrasting, right? Alright, let's go to 30 times. Xiaomi can go to 30 times. 1, 2, 3. Wow. So let me know what's the best stabilize zoom at night. Okay, that's it. Who has the best video zoom in 4K 30? And let's first Xiaomi 13 Ultra. 13 Ultra. Okay, that's 15 times. You can see nothing on that rooftop. And now 14 Ultra. Go. Wow. I can see clear. Right? 296 786 76. And even some text on that, under that, on top of that. Okay, and now 50 Ultra. Woo! 30 times. Okay, but first I can go to 15 times. Okay, that's 15 times. 2967 8676, right? And then go all the way to 30 times. Woohoo!